What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. This video I'm installing this wig from ZLike hair. All their information is in the description box below. This is the dust bag and all of the goodies that they send in the package that comes with the wig. And let me show you this wig. This is their ombre highlights blonde wig, and I have it in 30 freaking inches. Like, look how long this wig is. You'll really see how long 30 inches is. It's super long, and I believe this is 180 density. But this is what the inside of the wig looks like. You have your combs on the sides, you have your adjustable straps at the bottom, and you also have the comb at the bottom as well. Overall, this wig is constructed really well. It seems like it's really good quality. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So starting things off, I already have my wig cap installed. So now I'm just going to take my lace tint in the color dark brown, and I'm just coloring the lace of the wig on the inside. I didn't bleach the knots or anything because this is blonde hair, but I wanted the lace to match my complexion better, so that's why I'm using the lace tint. Then I'm just using my Laura Mercier translucent powder that I use for my face for the to color the wig cap. I normally don't do this, but this is all I had, honestly. So now I'm just going to slide on the wig and make sure everything fits correctly and cut out my ear tabs. I realized that the wig hangs kind of low on my forehead, so I'm going to have to cut some of the hair off. So that's why I'm just parting this little bit out. So now I'm just going to put my glue on my head, which I'm using the Hold Me Down glue from Erica J. And I wound up using two whole coats. I just didn't show it here. Now I'm just using my rat tail comb to smooth the lace into the glue. And I kind of got a little creative here. I realized that I needed more pressure. This rat tail comb wasn't cutting it, so I took the back of my hairbrush and tried to push the lace into the glue. I don't know if that was innovative or just crazy, but it worked. So that's this. So off camera, I let my edges sit under, like I wrapped them and I let them sit for like 10 minutes. So now I'm just cutting off the extra lace. I first used these small scissors just to cut off like all the big chunks. And then I went in with these scissors that I found from Amazon, which are like these jagged edged fabric scissors. And it just cuts the lace in like a jagged edge as opposed to a straight line, which is supposed to make it harder to see the lace. So I decided I wanted a middle part, so I'm just using my Got To Be Free spray and my Edge Booster wax stick right here, and I'm just parting out my middle part. Going through with these products and my hot comb to get my hair to lay flat at the top because it was kind of poofy. And now it's time to move on to my edges. I'm just parting out a small amount of hair on each side of my part. Really just trying to cover the part of the install where my natural hairline comes out a little bit further. That's what I always try to cover. Not a lot of people, have this issue. If you don't have this issue, then you don't have to do this all the time. But my hairline comes out pretty far, so I just make sure that the baby hairs in the wig covers that, because I refuse to cut or trim like my natural hairline to like match wigs, because it doesn't make sense to me, because when I wear my natural hair, which I do from time to time, like when I wear my natural hair, my hairline looks fine. It's just when I try to wear these wigs, and I refuse to cut my real hair for a wig. It's not happening. So anyways, now I'm just cutting my edges out for the baby hairs. Does that make sense? What? I'm just, you know what I'm doing. Anyways, I'm curling it and I'm swooping my baby hairs out. Before I proceed, I just want to show you exactly how long this 30 inches is. Now, mind you, I'm 5'3". I'm very much short, but this hair is also very much long. This comes to the tail end of my behind. If I wanted to sit on this hair, I absolutely could. But since it's so long like this, I decided to curl it. I'm using my curling iron that I got from Hot Tools. I think this is a 1.5 inch barrel, and I'm just sectioning the hair off into like 1 inch sections, and then I am pin curling them. So I'm just taking like little clips to like pin them in place. The goal was to try and get the curls to last a little bit longer. But I definitely should have used hairspray, which I did not, because the curls did wind up falling by the end of me taking pictures. So it lasted for like, I would say like a couple hours, but they did eventually fall. So I would recommend using hairspray when you curl the hair. So I let the pin stay in for about like 2 minutes because I was really impatient, and I literally unraveled them like right away. Maybe if you like leave the pins in for a little while longer and spray the hair with hairspray as you curl it, I'm almost certain that the curls will stay. It's just that the texture of this hair is so fine that you really have to work with it to get the curls to hold, because it's such a good like fine lightweight texture. So anyways, this is me unraveling the curls. They look really cute, especially like with the color of this hair. Curling this hair like just looks immaculate because you can really see the highlights in the hair. Lastly, I'm just cutting some layers into the hair, particularly in the front. So of course the closure part of the wig is shorter than the rest of the hair. It's not necessarily 30 inches. It's giving like 20, maybe like 16 to 20 inches. So I'm just cutting it a little bit shorter so it can frame my face. But besides that, that is it. This style came out really cute. I really loved this wig, particularly the length. So for it to be 30 inches, it was pretty full from root to tip. It didn't feel like it was like super thin at the bottom and then super thick at the top. Like it felt pretty even throughout, which I appreciated. Also, for this hair to be as long as it was and it didn't tangle, I was also impressed by that. Like usually when hair is super long like this, it gets easy, or it's pretty easy for it to tangle at the ends, but I did not have that problem at all. This hair is really good quality all throughout. It could have been 18 inches, it could have been 20 inches. It honestly behaved the same regardless of the length, which was also surprising given all of the color that was in this hair. You know, you would expect it to be like brittle or hard, but no, the hair is actually really soft and overall really great quality. So definitely check this out. Like I said, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.